this is Prakriti and you're watching me on my channel Creation Factor. So for the people who are new to my channel, let's have a short introduction to the channel. I am Prakriti and I make videos on styling, fashion, DIYs, makeup, as you can see right now. As I am a beginner too, that's why videos over all the content is not already there, but in future it will be. So ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं बस बोल दिया मैंने and मैं वैसा कर नहीं हूँ. I'm working over it और ऐसा आगे होगा. So if you are interested in the content, please subscribe to my channel, and if you find it helpful, make sure to share it with your family and friends, and also comment down below if you like my channel, like my work or not, because when you all comment positively or when you give some suggestions, that motivates me to do more hard work and put more efforts in my work. So yes, alright, moving back to the topic. Today's video is all about makeup, and the topic is everyday basic summer makeup look, without foundation, without concealer, without contour. So this is the look which I'll be creating today in the video, and it's a very light makeup look, perfect for someone who is surely very new to makeup. Okay, बहुत कुछ बोल लिया मैंने, तो अब चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Some ice cubes in a handkerchief and we'll apply it all over our face. This reduces the puffiness of our face or eyes. अगर आपको प्रॉब्लम होती है या फिर जनरली ऐसा होता है कि आपकी आँख puffy से रहते हैं, so it will reduce that, and it will also hydrate your face, and it also makes your makeup long lasting. So take your time and apply it for a minute or two. Apply it over your neck area also. After you're done drying your face, leave it for a minute or two so that the water gets dried up completely before applying the moisturizer, and when it dries up completely, we'll proceed to the next step. It has been a minute and now I will apply my moisturizer. And yes, here I'm not mentioning any of the products I'm using, because it is not necessary that the products I use will suit you also. Buy the products which you generally use or you're comfortable with, which suits you the most. After applying the moisturizer, apply lip balm so that the lips gets moisturized too. After applying your moisturizer, leave it for some time so that it sets up completely. Now we'll apply the primer. After the application of primer, you have to wait for some time. See, मैं बार-बार wait करने इसलिए बोल रही हूँ because जब तक वो सारा प्रोडक्ट अच्छे से अब्सॉर्ब नहीं हो जाता, इट डजंट लुक नाइस, और चांसेस है कि मेकअप ब्रेक आउट हो सके. जब तक एक कैनवस सा टेक्सचर ना मिले, वी विल वेट. आई थिंक वो 1 या 2 मिनट में हो जाएगा, एंड आफ्टर दैट विल अप्लाई द सनस्क्रीन, बिकॉज समर है, सनस्क्रीन मस्ट. इन अ मिनट और 2 एंड यू कैन सी दैट माई स्किन इज ऑलरेडी ग्लोइंग, और कोई भी ब्रेकआउट्स नहीं है which will make the makeup cakey or something. I will apply the sunscreen. So just some Now apply your blush and use a light shade because ये summer makeup look है और इसमें बहुत heavy सा color या फिर बहुत ज़्यादा vibrant color that doesn't look nice. So try to use a lighter shade. A light shade. I am using a light pink shade and just enhancing my cheekbones. If you don't have a blush, you can also use a lipstick instead of a blush. You just have to put a small amount on your fingers and you just have to blend it like this. Like this. Now take your compact and apply it on the area where you sweat the most. जो आपका सबसे ज़्यादा oily area है. I'm applying it here on the T-zone. Apply the rest of the powder on your face. Don't forget to apply it on your ears and on your neck. Piece of cloth and just tap it on your lips so that the extra moisture of the lip balm comes out. And don't rub this cloth on your lips, फिर bleeding हो सकती है. Now I'm taking this orange shade and I'm not just rubbing it here, I'm just tapping it lightly. Now apply a mascara. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed watching it, and this is the very first time I'm showing a full face makeup look. So please show your love to my efforts and also comment down below if you like the look. If you recreate this look, make sure to tag me on Instagram. I will give my ID somewhere here and it is also mentioned down in the description. So please go check it out. I post self-portraits, posing ideas, editing tutorials, etc. over there. I think you would like them too. And follow me there as well to show your love. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also comment down below how much would you rate this look for a summer day out, outing with friends, etc. Share it with your family and friends and with those who would find this video helpful.